This is the brief on the ClaimAuditAi application architecture. The newly updated docs show us exactly how this autonomous app flips healthcare billing from a reactive, pay-and-chase nightmare into real-time fraud prevention. First, let's look at the overall application overview and API endpoints. ClaimAuditAi literally sits right inside the database, intercepting those standardized medical claims, FHIR, the exact second they're submitted. It uses a super secure API based on strict tokens. Think of this framework as a high-tech, real-time bouncer for the hospital's building department. Basically, absolutely nothing gets in without verification. But once this bouncer catches a claim, how does the system actually figure out if it's fraudulent? Second, we've got the autoencoder architecture. Think of this as the system's statistical brain. Instead of clunky, rigid rules, it uses an unsupervised AI model to compress and rebuild the history of past claims. Imagine the AI building a perfect physical mold of a normal claim. If a weird, upcoded claim comes through and kind of doesn't fit that mold perfectly, it registers a massive error rate and immediately sounds the alarm. But, when it spots an anomaly, it needs specific tools to dig deeper. Finally, we have the Agent Tool Registry and MCP server, which act as the AI's hands and dictionary. The registry gives the AI a menu of database queries it can trigger totally autonomously. Now, you might be wondering, how does an AI validate complex medical codes without hallucinating? Well, it doesn't just guess. It uses the MCP server as a dedicated medical translator to definitively look up specific procedure and diagnosis codes like CPT and ICD-10 in real time. By combining real-time API interception, pattern-matching autoencoders, and autonomous tools, ClaimAuditAi successfully stops healthcare fraud before the check is ever cut.